Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to share Figma prototypes. First, open your Figma file and click the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you can generate a public link or invite specific people via email. Remember to adjust the access settings to Can View for clients to prevent accidental edits. This ensures your design remains intact while they provide feedback. Once you've generated your link, it's crucial to manage access. You can set permissions to Can View for clients, allowing them to interact without altering your design. For added security, consider enabling password protection, especially for sensitive projects. Don't forget to activate comment mode, which lets clients leave direct feedback on specific elements of your prototype, streamlining the review process. For a professional presentation, use Figma's full-screen presentation mode. This removes the Figma interface, allowing clients to focus solely on your design. If you need to integrate the prototype into a website or portfolio, generate the embed code. You can also adjust various prototype settings, such as the starting frame or device frame, to ensure it looks perfect on any screen. This flexibility helps you tailor the experience. Beyond basic sharing, consider creating different prototype versions for various feedback rounds, helping you track changes effectively. Utilize observation mode to watch clients interact with your prototype in real time, gaining invaluable insights into their user experience. This direct observation can highlight areas for improvement you might otherwise miss. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.